Hi everybody, it's Jennifer from Dolly RV, back with another Dutch oven breakfast recipe that all your little monkeys are gonna love.
I'm just traveling, I'm just traveling on.
Okay, we are having a family favorite recipe that typically I save for Christmas Eve morning, but it's turned out to be a great camping recipe because we've converted it to make in the Dutch oven. So we're making monkey bread this morning. It's super easy, just a few ingredients. So I am going to take half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of regular sugar. I know, we're not counting the calories this morning. And we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. And the first thing we're gonna do is just mix all of that up really, really good. This is super easy because you're really just gonna dump everything into a Ziploc bag, okay? All right, so I've taken 2 cans of biscuits, any brand will do. And as you can see, when you look in here, I've actually just quartered them. So I'm gonna show you how I did that. I just took kitchen scissors and took each biscuit and cut them into fourths. So this makes it super easy, okay? So I'm gonna show you how we did that. And so for the sake of our little TV work here, I'm gonna put all of these into, if they'll come out for me, whoa, the Ziploc bag here. I got these couple of stragglers going in. And then you want to take this is a great thing if you want to get the kids involved, they can just shake. Okay, so after this is shaken up really well with all of the biscuits, then we're going to reach for our Dutch oven that make sure you line with parchment paper. You'll thank me later for that when it comes to cleanup. And then all you're gonna do is kind of layer this. So take some of the biscuits and put them on the bottom of the Dutch oven. And just spread them out a little bit. And then you can just cut up your butter into slices and put that all over. The butter's kind of cold and hard this morning over this. And then if you like pecans like our family does, just sprinkle those all in there. Isn't that going to be good? The sugars, as they melt, kind of make a caramelized glaze all over the biscuits. Almost like one big donut. I've got it all layered on there. Another sprinkle of pecans. We love a lot of pecans, so I'm going to put a bunch on there. And maybe one more pat of butter on top. There we go. Isn't that like delicious? All right, the lid's going on, and then Marty's going to put it directly onto the coals for a little Dutch oven monkey bread.
All right, so we're using our solo stove this weekend because there's no fire pits here at the campground. And this really helps us maintain some heat kind of in and around the Dutch oven. We put a layer of coals on the bottom. There's roughly about 18 coals here, which is about where you want to do on the bottom if you're going to try to get it to about 350, 400 degrees. I'm just going to set this on top. And then I'm going to take the remaining coals and just sprinkle them on the top. You want about 10 or so coals on the top to get it cooking on top and bottom. All right, here we go.
The test.
All right, we've been on for right at 15 minutes.
Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that bubbly.
It's pretty good right
Goodness,
there.
that looks
That's
amazing.
perfection.
And it cooked really quick.
Really quick. Need something to put it on.
Woo, look at that.